Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a 3D printer that's been making some serious waves, the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. If you're looking to get into multicolor 3D printing at a budget-friendly price, or you just want a reliable high-speed workhorse, you're going to want to stick around for this. We're talking about a machine that promises incredible speed, precision, and multicolor capabilities, all wrapped up in a surprisingly compact and quiet package. Alright, so right out of the box, the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo makes a strong statement. It's got this sleek, predominantly gray design, and that fully enclosed structure immediately tells you this thing means business. It feels robust and reliable. What's really cool is that despite being enclosed, it's actually smaller and lighter than a lot of other CoreXY printers out there. That means it'll fit nicely on most workbenches without taking over your entire space. Anycubic even opted for plexiglass panels instead of heavier glass, which makes it much easier to move around. And all the electronics? Neatly tucked away and fully enclosed in the base, giving it a super clean, minimalist look. Anycubic really nailed the user-friendliness here. The assembly process is incredibly straightforward, thanks to clear, well-illustrated instructions. They claim you can unbox and start printing in 15 minutes, and honestly, that's pretty accurate. If you're someone who just wants to get printing fast, this is a huge win. The heart of the Kobra S1 Combo's design is its fully enclosed CoreXY construction. This isn't just for looks, it's crucial for stability, those higher print speeds, and expanding the types of materials you can print. It measures a practical 400 by 410 by 490 millimeters, perfect for home or small studio setups. Interacting with the printer is a breeze, thanks to its 4.3-inch adjustable capacitive touchscreen. This screen is super responsive. The menus are well organized and there's no noticeable lag. It's just intuitive to use. Plus, it has a surprisingly good 480p camera built right in for real-time print monitoring and time lapses. And yes, it even has integrated lighting, which is a thoughtful touch for keeping an eye on your prints. One of my favorite features is the LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling system. This thing is a game changer. It uses strain sensors in the nozzle to ensure your first layer is always perfect, virtually eliminating those frustrating adhesion issues. It takes all the guesswork out of bed leveling, making it super accessible even for beginners. And once that first layer is down, prints stick flawlessly to the PEI-coated flexible build plate, which also makes removing your finished models incredibly easy. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is built for speed. This machine boasts a maximum print speed of up to 600 millimeters per second, with a recommended operational speed of 300 millimeters per second. And it's not just speed, it's backed by a maximum acceleration of up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared. Anycubic even claims it can print a standard benchy in just 15 minutes. In my testing, Hyper PLA performed beautifully at 300 millimeters per second, standard PLA at 200 millimeters per second, and even challenging materials like ABS printed reliably at 200 millimeters per second. That CoreXY construction is absolutely key to achieving these speeds while maintaining stability. It ensures efficient motion and minimizes vibrations even during high-speed operations. Plus, features like resonance compensation and dynamic flow compensation are built in to ensure smooth, high-quality prints even when you're pushing the limits. The combination of that fully enclosed CoreXY structure, a high-temperature 320 degrees Celsius hot end, and a 120 degrees Celsius heated bed means the Kobra S1 Combo can handle advanced, high-temperature materials like ABS and ASA with remarkable effectiveness. This isn't just a PLA printer. It expands your capabilities significantly, allowing you to create functional parts and engineering prototypes that demand more robust materials. The enclosed chamber is a huge advantage for materials like ABS and nylon, helping to prevent common issues like warping and cracking. Printing ABS reliably at 200 millimeters per second is particularly impressive, as many printers require much slower speeds for this material. And for an enclosed CoreXY printer, the Kobra S1 Combo is remarkably quiet. It operates at just 46 decibels in standard mode, and you can drop that down to a whisper quiet 44 decibels in its dedicated quiet print mode. This low noise profile makes it perfect for a home office or even a living space without being a distraction. Now let's talk about the real star of the combo package, the Ace Pro drying system. This isn't just a fancy filament box. It's an active drying unit with a dual 200-watt PTC heating element and powerful fans that circulate hot air 360 degrees. What does that mean for you? It actively dries your filaments while you're printing for up to 24 hours. This is a game changer for preventing common moisture-related issues like stringing, bubbling, poor layer adhesion, and even failed prints. The Ace Pro even comes with preloaded drying parameters for different materials, automatically adjusting for optimal conditions. It's especially beneficial for those moisture-hungry filaments like ASA, ABS, PETG, and TPU. When you're not printing, it doubles as a 24-hour drying and storage unit, keeping your filaments in prime condition. This drying while printing feature is a huge convenience, eliminating the need for separate drying boxes and extra steps, streamlining your workflow, and significantly improving print reliability. The Ace Pro is also what makes the Kobra S1 Combo's intelligent multicolor printing possible. Out of the box, you get 4-color printing, and you can expand that to 8 colors by adding a second Ace Pro unit. It uses RFID sync for intelligent filament management, automatically identifying Anycubic's RFID chipped spools to register their color and material type. And for uninterrupted printing, it has filament backup and auto refill functions, seamlessly switching to a new spool of the same material if one runs out. Smart features like nozzle clog detection and an anti-tangling mechanism further contribute to smoother, more reliable operation. There's even a special algorithm to calculate intelligent color changes, aiming to minimize material changes and reduce waste.
However, it's important to be realistic about multicolor printing with the Kobra S1 Combo. While it's capable, it can be slow, and it generates a fair amount of material waste. For example, a print estimated to take 1 hour in single color can stretch to over 9 hours in multiple colors due to all the filament swapping. And the waste can be substantial. A 10.9 gram Benchy model resulted in 183 grams of purge waste. That's 17 times more filament wasted than consumed by the model itself. This painfully slow process and considerable material expenditure are common challenges with FDM multi-material systems, and even competitors like Bamboo Labs A1 can generate significant waste. So while Anycubic has made multicolor printing accessible and affordable, the efficiency for multicolor prints is still a hurdle compared to high-speed single-color printing. This is a crucial point if multicolor is your primary use case.
All right, let's get to the fun part, the actual prints. The Kobra S1 Combo delivers exceptional single filament print quality. Throughout my testing, it consistently produced clean, exact lines, with each layer precisely matching the one before it. Reviewers have praised its high precision and noted that its single filament print quality scored among the highest of any machine tested. That excellent first layer consistency, thanks to the LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling, means your prints start flawlessly every time. PLA prints in particular were virtually perfect from the first attempt using default slicer settings, showing well-reproduced details and impeccable adhesion to the textured PEI plate. I printed an egg that came out flawlessly, with functional joints right off the print bed, no post-processing needed. Despite the efficiency challenges with multicolor printing, the Kobra S1 Combo is absolutely capable of quality multicolor printing and producing beautiful multicolor prints. We've seen intricate multi-tone designs like Batman keychain.
Even PETG prints, after a minor temperature adjustment, yielded excellent quality with notably smooth and uniform walls. While single-color precision is a strong suit, multicolor prints, though aesthetically pleasing, can sometimes show issues like stringing and oozing during filament changes and occasional prime tower adhesion failures. This suggests that while the core printer is fantastic, the multi-material system might need a bit more fine-tuning or future software refinements. To boost reliability and cut down on waste, especially with multicolor prints, the Kobra S1 Combo includes advanced features like AI detection for spaghetti recognition. This means it can automatically detect and pause a print if it sees a major failure, saving you filament and time. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo isn't just a printer, it's part of a growing ecosystem. It uses the new Anycubic Slicer Next software, which is built on the widely respected Slicer. This is a huge advantage, giving you a familiar, powerful, and intuitive interface, especially if you've used slicers like Slicer, Bamboo Studio, or Cura before. The slicer comes packed with comprehensive material presets for popular filament types, and these profiles often work great for filaments from other brands too. Key features of Anycubic Slicer Next include LAN mode for local network printing, remote print through Anycubic Cloud, multi-plate management for organizing multiple print jobs, and skip objects feature. The user interface is well integrated, allowing you to manage multiple Anycubic printers, access feeds from the built-in camera, and even directly control the Ace Pro color engine. It even has an interlocking bar option for multicolor printing to improve color transitions. Beyond the desktop software, Anycubic also offers a dedicated Anycubic Cloud smartphone app. This app provides convenient remote monitoring and control of your printer, allowing you to check on print progress, manage settings, and even initiate prints from your smartphone or tablet. It seamlessly integrates with the Anycubic ecosystem, working in harmony with the Slicer software to provide a connected and streamlined printing experience. You can check real-time progress via the printer's built-in camera, pause or stop jobs, and even receive alerts if something goes wrong. The app also offers access to time-lapse recordings, giving creators a chance to showcase their work in engaging video formats. While the connection can sometimes be a bit unstable, especially if your internet signal is weak, the functionality it brings makes it a helpful companion, especially for users who like to keep an eye on long prints without being tied to their workstation. Anycubic has also expanded its digital presence with Makeronline, a 3D model sharing platform designed for its user base. Here, you can upload STL files, browse tons of 3D model categories, download free and paid models, follow creators, and share your sliced results. Makeronline offers a vast selection of models and promises one-click slicing and printing. While Makeronline is great for existing designs, Anycubic recognizes the demand for generative AI in 3D modeling. They implicitly support external AI tools like PrintPal. PrintPal lets you generate original printable 3D models from simple text prompts or image references, completely eliminating the need for traditional CAD skills. It creates watertight STL files, ready for slicing in seconds, and is compatible with major slicers like Photon Workshop, Cura, or Prusa Slicer. This means you can skip the library and go straight to creation, designing custom tools, functional components, or personalized models on demand, optimized for both FDM and resin printing. This synergy between a powerful slicer and AI-driven model generation truly empowers users to create unique custom designs without a steep learning curve. So, after putting the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo through its paces, I can confidently say it's a compelling package, especially considering its price point. This printer consistently delivers exceptional single-color print quality, boasts impressive speed, and offers broad material compatibility, all within a quiet, enclosed CoreXY design. The integrated Ace Pro drying system is a huge win, significantly improving print reliability, especially for moisture-sensitive filaments. And the expanding Anycubic ecosystem, with its Orca-based slicer and the potential for AI-driven model generation, adds considerable value. However, it's crucial to understand its limitations. While multicolor printing is possible and produces visually appealing results, it is notably slow and generates a significant amount of filament waste. And yes, there are a few minor mechanical and software quirks, though many are addressable. Ultimately, the Kobra S1 Combo is an excellent choice if you're looking for an affordable, enclosed CoreXY printer that excels at high-speed, high-quality single-color prints across a diverse range of materials. It gives you the option for multicolor printing, even if that process isn't the most efficient in terms of time and material. This printer is particularly well-suited for users who prioritize a plug-and-play experience and prefer to avoid extensive clipper tuning. If, however, your primary need is fast, high-volume multicolor production, where material waste is a critical concern, you might want to consider higher-priced alternatives. For its price, the Kobra S1 Combo truly exceeds expectations, making multicolor 3D printing more accessible than ever before. It's a testament to Anycubic's commitment to innovation and pushing boundaries within the budget segment of the 3D printing market. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more 3D printing content, and let me know in the comments what you think of the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. All the links to the printer and any filaments I used will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!